Hey everyone, assalamualleikum and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my English breakfast. Really easy to prepare and so delicious as well. Anyone can eat this breakfast. So I'm going to be showing you guys first the ingredients. Here I've got my onion. We're going to use also tomato. I've got sausages there. I've got 2 eggs, and we'll need also baked beans. We have oil for frying, and here is aromat. You can use salt if you don't have an aromat, and also got black pepper and 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna start by slicing my onion and tomato before I start frying. The onion slice should be a little bit big pieces, because if it's too small, if it's too thin pieces, when you're going to fry, it's going to just disappear in the pan, and we don't want that. So yeah, I was just separating and see if one slice is gonna be enough. So it's fine. Now I'm cutting my tomatoes. You have to make a big slice as well. And here I'm done with cutting. Now I'm going to start with frying. In the pan, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to break my eggs in. I'm going to start with eggs. And because I have space left on the side, I'm going to place my onions and fry together with eggs. Okay, the eggs are done. Now I'm going to remove from the pan and set that aside, and then I'm going to bring the tomatoes as well and fry for a few seconds. Okay, now I'm just wiping the pan because I have to add another oil to fry the sausages. I wanted to buy Vienna, but I didn't find it, and I went with this Russian, which is not my favorite, but still is better than nothing. So if you want to fry Vienna, you don't add too much oil, but for Russian, you need too much oil because it's thick, as you guys can see. And when you are frying your sausages, your Vienna or Russian like this, you fry on low to medium heat, so it can be able to cook nicely without burning on top. My Russians are done. Now I'm going to remove the oil from the pan and just warm up my beans. You can even warm up in microwave, but I just decided to warm up in the pan because it was already hot. So now I'm just brushing some butter in the pan, and I'm going to toast my bread. And for this, you can even use toaster. Our breakfast is ready, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to sprinkle some salt and black pepper on eggs, and it's ready to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with family and friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.